everybody is doing well. I missed you very much last week. I hope you had a good week, and I am looking forward to a brand new week with you guys. Ella, can you say good morning?
Morning.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, so boys and girls, what I want you to do now is take out your calendars, your calendar notebooks, and your crayon boxes so we can get started with our morning meeting. Okay, so last week we changed to a new month. What month is it now? That's right, it's April. Very good. Now, the last day you were in school was Friday, April 3rd. So we need to fill in not only today's date, but the weekend dates as well. So if Friday was April 3rd, what was Saturday? Very good, April 4th. If Saturday was April 4th, what was Sunday's date? Excellent, April 5th. And if Sunday was April 5th, what is today's date? Great job, April 6th. Now what year is it? Good job, 2020. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna say the full date together. Okay, here we go. April 6th, 2020. Now let's say the digital date. 4/6/20. Very good, boys and girls. So what I want you to do now is to take out your calendars. You're gonna fill in Saturday, Sunday, and today's date. Okay, so you're gonna do 4 for Saturday, 5 for Sunday, and 6 for today. Now remember, when you go to do the number 5 for the 5th, make sure you go down to the second box under Sunday because this is the second week in April, okay? So make sure you're doing your numbers correctly, 4, 5, and 6. Down and over, down once more, that's the way to make a 4. Straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. And down, around, and make a loop. 6 is like a hula hoop. Very good, boys and girls. Okay. How many months are there in a year? Wonderful, 12, very good. So I want you to pause this video and I want you to do our months of the year song. Great job, welcome back. Now let's talk about the days of the week. How many days are there in a week? You guessed it, 7, very good. What is the first day of the week? Excellent, Sunday. What is the last day of the week? Great job, Saturday. Now, what day of the week was it yesterday? It was the first day of the week. Good, it was Sunday. Excellent. So I'm going to take my yesterday was tab, and I'm going to point it to Sunday. Okay, if yesterday was Sunday, what day of the week is it today?
Baby,
Great job, Monday.
Monday.
Monday, good job, Ella. So I'm going to take my Monday is tab and point it to Monday. You want to go down?
No.
It seems like you do. And if today is Monday, what day of the week will it be tomorrow? Wonderful, Tuesday. Okay, so yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Good job. So before we do our Days of the Week song, I want you to take out your magic finger. We're going to do some pointer power. You're going to follow along in your calendar, and we're going to say the days of the week together. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job, boys and girls. Now pause this video and do our Days of the Week song. Great job, welcome back. Now let's talk about seasons. How many seasons do we have in a year? Great job, 4. Can you tell me what they are? Excellent. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. What's another another name for fall. Wonderful. Autumn. And what season are we in now? Excellent. We are in spring, right? So they always say April showers bring May flowers. So we may be seeing a lot of rain in April. Hopefully not too much. So I'm going to take my spring tab and I'm going to add it underneath where it says the season is.
Mommy.
Yes, honey. Okay. Now let's talk about the weather. What is the weather like? It is going to be a beautiful day today. Very good. It is sunny. Sunny. How does it feel outside right now? It's about 51 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, I would say it's cool. It's actually going to get probably warm. It's going to be almost 70 today. So it's going to be a great day to be outside and get some fresh air. So it's sunny and it's cool. So let's look over here at our thermometer. So like I said, it is 51 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it's 51 degrees Fahrenheit, where are we going to start? That's right, at 50. So count with me. 50, 51. Easy. So we're going to take our little red tab and we're going to move it up to 51. Now, I want you to take your calendars, turn to your weather chart, take out my favorite color, yellow, and you're going to color one box above sunny in yellow, S-U-N-N-Y. Can you say sunny?
Sunny.
Great job, boys and girls. Okay, now we're going to look at our daily depositor. So I'm going to move this over. In our daily depositor right now, we have one bundle of 100, 3 bundles of 10, and 5 left over in the ones column. So what do we count our bundles of 100 by? Very good, by 100. What do we count our bundles of 10 by? Great, by 10s. And what do we count our straws left over in the ones column by? Excellent, by 1s. So what we're going to do now is we're going to count and see how many straws we have in our daily depositor. So Ella, I'm going to have to put you down for a second, okay? Hold on tight.
Mommy.
It's okay. All right, let's count together. Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. So we have 135 straws in our daily depositor. So if we add one more straw for today, how many straws will we have now? Great job, 136. And where are we going to put this straw? Ones column, tens column, or hundreds column? Wonderful, the ones column. Why are we going to put it in the ones column? Fantastic, because we don't have enough yet to make another bundle of 10, and we definitely don't have enough to make a bundle of 100. So it goes in the ones column. Now, 136 is a 3-digit number. What 3 digits make 136? Excellent, a 1, a 3, and a 6, because there's one bundle of 100, 3 bundles of 10, and 6 left over. Sorry, boys and girls. So if we were writing 136, the 1 would go in the hundreds column, the 3 would go in the tens column, and the 6 would go in the ones column. So what these numbers mean, the number in the ones column represents 100. The 3 in the tens column represents 3 bundles of 10, which is 30. And then plus 6 in the ones column represents 6. Okay, thank you. Here you go, honey. Now, if you add that all up, 100 100 plus 30 plus 6, that equals 136. So that means you have been in school for 136 days, and that you are 136 days smarter. Woo woo! Good job, boys and girls. So you're gonna take out your calendar notebooks now. You're gonna turn to the second yellow page, and you're gonna trace today's number of the day, 136. Very good, boys and girls. Now we're gonna turn to our purple page, and you are gonna color in one more orange sneaker to make them both filled in. Okay, hopefully you were able to just follow along with the patterns that we have been doing. If you didn't, it's okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so now that we have 136 sneakers filled in, can you tell me, is 136 an odd or an even number? Very good, it's even. How do you know that? Great job. If you look at our sneakers, both of the sneakers in the pair are colored in. So we know that if both sneakers in the pair are colored in, it's going to be an even number. Excellent. How else can you tell? Wonderful. You look at the ones column, and in the ones column, we have a 6. So I'm going to underline my 6 here. We know that if a number ends in a 6, it's going to be even because 6 loves to hang out with even Steven. So today is an even day. Okay, very good, boys and girls. Okay, now let's turn the page to our 10 frames, and you're going to fill in one more box with a green crayon. So you have 6 boxes filled in on that 10 frame. Excellent job. Now, what do we count our 10 frames by? Wonderful, by 10s. So everybody's going to take out their magic finger. We're going to do some pointer power, and we're going to count these 10 frames together. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136. Great job, boys and girls. Now let's turn to our tally marks. Okay. And what do we count our tally marks by? Excellent, by 5s. So again, we're going to use our magic finger, do some pointer powers, and we're going to count our tally marks by 5. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 136. Great job, boys and girls. Okay, so you can put those down and away. So remember, when you are done with the morning meeting with me, I still want you to make sure you're going over your 2D and 3D shapes with the links that I have provided for you. And I also want you to make sure that you are counting by 1s, skip counting by 2s, by 5s, and by 10s using our number grid. Okay, so we're gonna move on to our sight words. So, since it turned April in the middle of the week last week, I did not want us to start new words. So we're starting our new blue words this week for the month of April. So we're gonna do the first 4 words. So parents, I would like you to say each word 3 times, have them repeat it, then they will arm tap it 3 times, and then you can put the word into a sentence and have them repeat it for better understanding. So I will do the arm tapping with you right now, and the other parts you can do then when we are done. Okay, so the first word is make. Can everybody repeat that? Very good. So I'm gonna leave that up here. Now remember, if you are right-handed, your left arm is straight out. You are tapping with your right hand and you are starting up at your shoulder. You are tapping down to your wrist and then you are swiping down to your wrist. If you are left-handed, your right arm is out. You are tapping with your left hand. You are starting at your wrist. You are tapping up to your shoulder and you are swiping up to your shoulder. Okay, so parents, just make sure that they are doing it correctly. We want them to be doing it the way that we read, from left to right. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to be tapping with my right hand. So here we go. We're going to do the word make. M-A-K-E, make. Again, M-A-K-E, make. One more time. M-A-K-E, make. Excellent. Our next word is find. So we're going to tap that out together. Here we go. F-I-N-D, find. F-I-N-D, find. One more time. F-I-N-D, find. Excellent. Our third word is the word and. Very common word. We use it a lot in our compound sentences when you're talking about more than one person. Here we go. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. One more time. A-N-D, and. Very good. And the last word is the word are. So not the letter R, this is the word R. Okay, so we're going to tap that out together. Here we go. A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. One more time. A-R-E-R. Excellent job, boys and girls. So today is just an introduction day to these sight words. So we are not doing any sight word worksheets and we are not doing any sentences, writing any sentences down, okay? It is just going over and introducing the words. So again, saying the words 3 times, arm tapping the words 3 times, and putting each word orally into a sentence and repeating it. There is no writing for our sight words today. Also, make sure that you are doing your Raz Kids assignments. I can go on and check who has done their work. There are still some friends who have not logged in and done their reading. So this is included in your work, and if it is not done, it is going to be considered incomplete. So this is something that I want to see for tomorrow. Again, it does not need to be done by 3:30. I understand that many parents are working. So whenever you get it done, but I just need it to be done by the end of the day. And also I need to see a picture of your journal entry for what you did over the weekend or something about your weekend. So boys and girls, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you all very soon. Mwah.